We are celebrating the 2011 New Year's Day with an 11 soda salute. We are dropping Mentos in a bottle, 1 liter bottle of soda, which causes it to basically turn into a wonderful soda fountain.
And the costume you're wearing is?
A trash bag, the latest in trash bag, hefty bag fashion. And the reason this works, it is scientific, and you'll see it all over the web in various and sundry potions. One more! We need one more!
Daddy apologizes for saying it.
I hope it
does. Yeah. Oh, you brought the DA.
Should we drop more than one?
It only takes one.
On three? Or is it 1, 2, 3, and then go?
Back.
Oh, okay. Okay, so these are mine.
This is only
I tell you.
okay, 1 second, really.
That's like between you and
Okay.
So wait.
Everybody ready?
So we have the instructions. It's
Okay, now the minute you drop it, step back.
wait, but what is the countdown?
Yeah.
It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1 and drop, or 1 and then 0 and then drop?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, drop.
Okay.
Got that? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, drop.
Okay.
Are we all cool with that?
Yeah. Good.
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh man!
Oh boy.
Thank you.
That wasn't nearly as
I
exciting.
know. It's the
You're
check.
right.
It's the soda.
You gotta put more than
soda.
one there.
I thought it was really good.
Yeah, that. Oh well. They were supposed to go way up.
That was exciting.
Maybe we should keep this for